Hello there, my people. Now welcome for this demonstration. For this demonstration, now one mama so come meet me. Say she want collect loan so that she go to sell fish. And this fish wey you want sell, na basket the mama they go buy. When he buy the basket, for a basket, they buy 90,000 naira. And when he buy, he go get about 120 fish, big fish when they inside. And this 120 pieces of fish, go divide them into three. You go put them 2 self. When you put them 2, you go sell them 4,000. So we come get account. Now, the first thing we fit do here we say the mama go collect the 100,000. So how can we register this one inside this Obonge software when we call SQL-Ledger? To register them a small thing. First, we will go to General Ledger, add transaction. Now for here, we fit select the date. Make we say he collect the loan on the 3rd of January. Let's click on the reference there. We can put loan collected. Loan collected. And now who collect them? Na Mama Doshima. This loan, it dey for in small money. You no fit put them for bank. Now for cash, in small cash when you date, now you put the money. Now 100,000. Now the next one we will fit do now, now the loan. Where we go put that loan? We call and say na short-term loan. Short-term loan when you get, when she come collect. Now if we update here, you see say this money, the source, make her put and say na cash. Na cash she collect. Kuma you come collect them from Chop bank. Na there she take collect them. They no charge am interest so everything dey okay. Now so we go post them. So when we click post now, the money don't enter the woman account. Now if you come go check report, make we check trial balance, see wetin dey there. If you see now, you see say the money still dey the Mama Doshima hand, but it shows say they owe for that short-term loan. Immediately she get money, she go buy fish. Let's go to accounts payable, vendor invoice rather. Now here we can't put the person we buy the fish from. If we put here say na buying of fish, make we write this one here like this. Come edit the thing. Purchase of basket of catfish. Now we fit put the code here. When we put the code, the price here when we dey buy, since na 125 big fish dey there, 120 big fish when dey there, it can't be like say each one, if we divide them, you buy them for 90,000. So that she should go come begin sell the fish. It can't be say, like we say we buy 60 so that it go easy for us to calculate. When you click now, the money don't too much. Let's say she buy 40, no 50. When you update now, you fit see say still the money plenty, no be small. You no fit buy that one. Okay, make we lower and come down. Yes. Now the money when you take buy, you buy 30 pieces. And for place when they buy, these 30 pieces na 75,000. You take buy the fish. Now when you don't buy the fish, you come bring her in. We go post. Now when we post, the money when they there, he never pay. So make we go pay the money because they no fit give am fish like that. He no pay. See the money where they owe. Once you click here, it will show say make we write and payment for purchase of fish. This one are cash. We pay them sharp and the date when we pay them. Make we just leave am like that, Kawe. You click say make it continue. We don't pay. So if you look the trial balance now, if you see say that money don't reduce for there, you know they like a day before. See the money. Okay, we know put am for this thing. Make we go back again. This one when we do so, it they now this account is supposed to go so that it go continue like this. So if we look at the trial balance again, if you see and say the money remain 25,000 naira. That the money when they hand be that. This mama come wrap the fish. Now two they sell for the one when they there. Now each of them she wrap and carry round go town. Now for there I go the sell. So make we come here say they sell. You don't sell the fish. Sale of fish for the first day where you go. The first day where the mama go. Come begin sell the fish. So na 30 pieces she get. These 30 pieces. Now so you can't sell them. You can't sell the 30. The 30 pieces when you get. You can't sell them all. And from there, you sell them to this Moses sound now. You sell them immediately, ma collect money. No wasting time. Na cash they give am. Mm-hmm. 20. No go come sell the fish. Money dey here. So as e dey there now, wetin come dey be say they pay the mama sharp. E post. Now you want know how much e don make. If you go report, first you check trial balance. Now wetin dey there. Yes, this money wey you do so, see am you don sell, nobody dey owe am, but the money wey she don get now don increase more. You see am, so she don sell. Now if you check the income statement now, you see say she buy the fish. The money wey she buy the fish na 75. She come sell am comot 120. See the profit when the mama come make. Now if you look balance sheet, you come see say e get money now, but e never pay loan. Make we say the loan people dey disturb mama, so she come pay loan. We go to general ledger and we add the date. We now say loan repayment. Na chop, I chop bank, we dey pay am. So we select the money wey you take, the short term loan, we fit come select am. See am here, so that e say mama come pay 20,000. Na 20,000 mama come pay. We update. Now where I take the money, e take am from that is small cash wey dey. Mama no dey carry money go bank o. Na so, na cash e dey pay. No sabi anything when they talk say you go take bank. Nobody might charge am interest sef. From here, the money when you don post, you come see say if you check trial balance now, you go see say the money wey mama dey owe now, e don reduce. This loan here, see am, she dey owe only 80,000 from the money wey she get for that asusu. The money come remain, e don reduce, na 125 e get. And if where you go see am well well sef na balance sheet. If you go to balance sheet, you click and say continue, you fit come see say mama money wey dey in hand na 125. E dey owe loan of 80,000. The profit wey e get for the small trade wey e do na 45,000 naira. This fish business na better business o. Abeg make we take support am by buying from mama. Thank you. I go see you for my next video.